Hey guys, welcome back to Vintage American Cars. Today we've got a fresh batch of classic cars for sale, all found on Facebook Marketplace. These cars range from vintage pickups to legendary muscle cars, all with plenty of potential for restoration. Let's dive in. One 1966 Ford F100, $3,500, Rising Fawn. First up, we have a 1966 Ford F100, a solid project truck with power steering, power brakes, and a SAS 300 and 400 modified engine, paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The seller describes it as a good running and driving truck, making it a strong start for a classic build. With nice wheels and tires already on it, this F100 is ready for a new home. 2. 1966 Chevrolet Bel Air, $3,500, Morganton, North Carolina. Next, we have a 1966 Chevy Bel Air, powered by a 307 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and a Power Glide transmission. It runs and drives well, and the body is in solid shape with only a few small rust spots. The floor pans and trunk are in great condition, and the car comes with a new aluminum radiator and electric fans still in the box. The seller is also including the original 283 engine if you want it. R3 1969 Ford Thunderbird, $3,500, Bessemer, Alabama. Here's a 1969 Ford Thunderbird, a rat rod project with a 429 Thunderjet big block V8. It runs and the brakes and transmission are in good shape. The Mustang Bullet wheels give it a tough look, but the sunroof needs replacement and there's an exhaust leak. It won't take much work to get this T-Bird cruising again. R4 1949 Dodge Coronet, $5,000, Cottonport, Louisiana. For fans of pre-1950s classics, this 1949 Dodge Coronet could be a great project. It runs and drives, but the starter needs work, and the interior could use some love. It comes with a clean title and has a solid foundation for restoration. 5. 1969 Ford Fairlane 500, $3,500, Winchester, Tennessee. This 1969 Ford Fairlane 500 has been sitting for about 35 years, but besides the floors, it's still a solid car. It comes with a 302 V8 and automatic transmission, though the engine is currently stuck. The seller is firm on the price and includes a yellow title and keys. 6. 1961 Ford Thunderbird, $3,500, Hagerstown, Maryland. Another Thunderbird makes the list, this time a 1961 model with a 390 V8 and automatic transmission. The car is in great shape for its age, with only small rust bubbles in the paint. It turns over but has no spark, and the seller doesn't have a title, though a main registration can be obtained. The paint and seats are in good condition, making it a great restoration candidate. Haber 7, 1964 Plymouth Belvedere Wagon, $2,500, Nebo, North Carolina. Here's a rare find, a 1964 Plymouth Belvedere station wagon. It has a 318 Poly V8 and a push-button 727 transmission, but it hasn't run in years. The frame rails are solid, but it needs floor pans and some glass replacement. The seller has already sourced NOS rear glass and taillight assemblies, making this an excellent project for a Mopar fan. 8. 1967 Dodge Truck, $4,500, Colfax, Louisiana. If you're looking for a classic truck, this 1967 Dodge might be a great option. It runs and drives, but needs a valve cover gasket, 2 front tires, and a gas tank repair. It's powered by a 318 V8 with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. With 85,000 miles, it's a solid foundation for a classic pickup build. I've 1969 Chevrolet C10, $2,600, New Albany, Indiana. Next, we have a 1969 Chevy C10 sitting on a GMC half-ton frame with rear leaf springs. It's powered by a 350 V8 with a TH400 transmission and has had some recent brake work. It runs, but still needs body work, electrical fixes, seat installation, and a transmission pan reseal. A solid project truck at a reasonable price. NAF 10, 1966 Dodge Coronet 440, 5000 Harmony, North Carolina. Rounding out our list is a DOT 1966 Dodge Coronet 440T with a 400 big block V8. It runs off starter fluid, but the rear brakes are locked up and it's missing a throttle cable. The seller says it was running when parked, so it shouldn't take much to bring it back to life. It will need to be towed to its new home, but this could be a great deal for a Mopar fan. That's it for today's list of classic cars for sale. If you're interested in any of these cars, check out the links in the description. Let us know which one is your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more classic car finds. See you in the next one.